Apple says your iPhone is private, right? Well, not exactly. There are 4 sneaky settings that track you every single day. Let me show you how to turn them off right now. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. That gray gear icon. You know the one. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list until you see Messages. Tap on that. Now look for Share Name and Photo. Tap it. Change the setting to Always Ask. Here is why this matters. By default, your iPhone shares your name and photo with anyone who messages you, even strangers. Changing this to Always Ask puts you back in control. Super important. Go back to the main settings page. Tap on Notifications. Then tap on Show Previews. Change it to When Unlocked. Right now, anyone can pick up your phone and read your private texts from the lock screen. No password needed. Scary, right? This stops that completely. One more thing. Look for Shared with You and turn the toggle off. This setting shares links, photos, and videos from your messages with other apps like Amazon or Netflix, basically letting them track what your friends send you. Turn it off and keep that stuff to yourself. And that is it. For settings, maybe 2 minutes of your time, and your iPhone stops tracking you in ways Apple never talks about. If this helped you out, do me a favor and subscribe before you go. I make videos like this every week showing you the privacy tricks big tech does not want you to know. Also comment down below so I know this worked for you. Next video, I will show you how to stop your iPhone from listening to your conversations. You do not want to miss that one.